empowering the world through innovative and accessible education.
Welcome to Mastering the Fundamentals of OpenAI. This course was created to provide a fundamental understanding of OpenAI's capabilities, including ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Codex, and how to apply them in real-world scenarios. Let's begin.
The way we interact with machines is changing. Gone are the days of rigid commands and predictable responses. A new era has dawned, one powered by artificial intelligence, where conversations with machines feel eerily natural. At the forefront of this revolution is ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. This sophisticated AI can write stories, translate languages, and answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, but there's a catch. To unlock ChatGPT's true potential, you need to learn a new skill: prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the art of crafting effective prompts, the instructions or questions you feed into ChatGPT. It's the key to unlocking the treasure trove of knowledge and creativity within this AI marvel. Imagine ChatGPT as a vast, uncharted ocean of information and potential. Without the right map, your prompt, you risk getting lost in a sea of generic responses.
Why is prompt engineering so crucial? The output quality of ChatGPT is directly proportional to the quality of your input. A well-crafted prompt, rich in context and specific instructions, guides the model towards generating a relevant and insightful response. Imagine asking a chef to make something delicious. The result, while potentially tasty, could be anything. Now, imagine providing a specific recipe, listing preferred ingredients, and detailing the desired taste profile. The outcome is far more likely to satisfy your craving. Similarly, a vague prompt like "tell me about climate change" will likely yield a generic overview. A more specific prompt, such as "explain the impact of rising sea levels on coastal communities in the next 50 years, will elicit a more focused and insightful response.
Think of your prompts as blueprints for ChatGPT. The clearer and more detailed your blueprint, the more impressive the final structure. Start by being specific. Avoid ambiguity. Instead of asking, write a poem, specify the theme, style, and even the desired length. Write a sonnet about the beauty of autumn in the style of Shakespeare provides much clearer direction. Next, set constraints. Define the scope of the response. Do you want a bullet point summary or a detailed explanation? Specify the desired format. For instance, list 5 key benefits of solar energy will produce a concise list, while write a persuasive essay advocating for the adoption of solar energy will generate a more comprehensive response.
ChatGPT offers several levers for fine-tuning its output. 2 of the most important are temperature and token limits. Temperature controls the creativity of the model. A higher temperature, closer to 1, makes the output more random and surprising, while a lower temperature, closer to 0, makes it more deterministic and focused. Imagine temperature as a dial that adjusts the level of improvisation in ChatGPT's responses. Token limits, on the other hand, control the length of the response. Each word, punctuation mark, or even space in the input and output is considered a token. Setting a token limit helps manage the length of the generated text. Use this to ensure concise responses or to prevent the model from rambling.
Even with the best prompts, you might encounter situations where ChatGPT falters. The model might misunderstand your intent, generate irrelevant information, or get stuck in a loop. Don't despair. This is where your troubleshooting skills come in. Start by rephrasing your prompt. Sometimes, a subtle change in wording can make all the difference. If the model continues to struggle, try breaking down your request into smaller, more manageable steps. This step-by-step approach can help guide ChatGPT towards the desired outcome. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Mastering the art of prompt engineering takes time and practice. Advanced prompting, unlocking deeper potential. As you become more comfortable with the basics, you can explore advanced prompting techniques to unlock ChatGPT's full potential. One such technique is chain of thought prompting, where you explicitly guide the model's reasoning process by providing a series of interconnected prompts. This is particularly useful for solving complex problems or generating creative content. Another powerful technique is role-based prompting, where you assign a specific role or persona to ChatGPT. For instance, you could ask it to respond as a seasoned marketing consultant or a fictional detective. This helps tailor the output to specific needs and contexts.
Case studies, advanced prompts in action. Let's look at some real-world examples of advanced prompts in action. Imagine you're a screenwriter struggling with writer's block. You can use chain of thought prompting to break down the creative process. Start by asking ChatGPT to generate a list of potential conflicts for a romantic comedy. Then use its suggestions to ask for character ideas, plot points, and even witty dialogue. In another scenario, imagine you're a business owner looking for marketing advice. Use role-based prompting to ask ChatGPT to act as a seasoned marketing consultant and provide recommendations for your social media strategy. The model, assuming the role of an expert, will likely offer more sophisticated and targeted advice.
The journey continues. Mastering ChatGPT. Mastering ChatGPT is an ongoing journey of discovery. As you experiment with different prompts and techniques, you'll uncover new and innovative ways to leverage this powerful tool. Remember to be playful, curious, and always willing to push the boundaries of what's possible. The future of communication is here, and it's waiting to be shaped by your imagination. Start exploring the possibilities today.
A world transformed. The ability for anyone to have a natural conversation with a machine, to get it to do their bidding, to help them solve complex problems and unlock creative potential. This is the true power of prompt engineering. It's a skill that will become increasingly valuable in our AI-driven world, bridging the gap between human intention and machine capability. As we continue to refine these tools and techniques, we can only imagine the extraordinary possibilities that await. The journey has just begun.